Friends, these days the virus is spreading rapidly which is known as coronavirus. So today in this video we will tell about the same so that you will know everything about it and you will got to know how you can keep yourself and your family safe. Then let's know about it. So first of all, let's know about what is coronavirus. Coronavirus were first identified in the 1960s, but we don't know where they come from. They get their name from their crown-like shape. Sometimes, but not often, a coronavirus can infect both animals and humans. The 2019 coronavirus is a new virus that causes respiratory illness in people ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome and can spread from person to person. This virus was first identified during an investigation into an outbreak in Wuhan, China. A novel coronavirus is a new strain that has not been previously identified in humans. How does 2019 nCoV spread? Most coronaviruses spread the same way other cold-causing viruses do, through infected people coughing and sneezing, by touching an infected person's hands or face, or by touching things such as doorknob that infected people have touched. Coronaviruses are zoonotic, meaning they are transmitted between animals and people. Detailed investigation found that SARS-CoV was transmitted from civet cats to humans and MERS-CoV from dromedary camels to humans. Several known coronaviruses are circulating in animals that have not yet infected humans. Almost everyone gets a coronavirus infection at least once in their life, most likely as a young child. In the United States, coronaviruses are more common in the fall and winter, but anyone can come down with a coronavirus infection at any time. What are the symptoms of coronavirus? The symptoms of most coronaviruses are similar to any other infection, include respiratory symptoms, fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and even death. In most cases, you won't know whether you have a coronavirus or a different cold-causing virus such as rhinovirus. You could get lab tests including nose and throat cultures and blood work to find out whether your cold was caused by a coronavirus, but there is no reason to. The test results would not change how you treat your symptoms, which typically go away in a few days. But if a coronavirus infection spreads to the lower respiratory tract, your windpipe and your lungs, it can cause pneumonia, especially in older people, people with heart disease, or people with weakened immune systems. Complications from the virus is that many patients have pneumonia in both lungs. How can I help protect myself? The best way to prevent infection is to avoid being exposed to this virus. There are simple everyday preventive actions to help prevent the spread of respiratory viruses. These include: first, avoid close contact with people who are sick. Second, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Third, wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol, covering mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, thoroughly cooking meat and eggs. If you are sick, to keep from spreading respiratory illness to others, you should stay home when you are sick, cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then throw the tissue in the trash. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Have there been cases of 2019 novel coronavirus? In India, the first confirmed case of novel coronavirus has been reported from Kerala, where a student studying in Wuhan University, China, has been tested positive with the deadly virus. The patient has tested positive for novel coronavirus and is in isolation in the hospital. In US, the first infections with 2019 novel coronavirus in the United States was reported on January 21, 2020. Right now, the greatest risk of infection is for people in China or people who have traveled to China. CDC continues to closely monitor the situation. Locations with confirmed 2019 novel coronavirus cases: China, Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, Australia, Cambodia, Canada, Finland, France, Germany, India, Japan, Malaysia, Nepal, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Thailand, the Republic of Korea, United Arab Emirates, United States, Vietnam. What should I do if I recently traveled to China and got sick? If you were in China within the past 14 days and feel sick with fever, cough, or difficulty breathing, you should get medical care. Call the office of your healthcare provider before you go and tell them about your travel and your symptoms. They will give you instructions on how to get care without exposing other people to your illness. While sick, avoid contact with people, don't go out, and delay any travel to reduce the possibility of spreading illness to others. Is there a vaccine? There is currently no vaccine to protect against 2019 novel coronavirus. The best way to prevent infection is to avoid being exposed to this virus. Is there a treatment? There is no specific antiviral treatment for 2019 novel coronavirus. People with 2019 novel coronavirus can seek medical care to help relieve symptoms.